It can be tricky to know what to post about when you're so deep in creation mode and laser focused on getting your business up and running. But if you're launching or relaunching, you've got to be promoting your business while you build it so that when the time comes to launch, you're not launching to crickets. Let's go over 5 types of posts you can use on social media to hype your business launch. Hi, I'm Alli, and I help emerging entrepreneurs like you level up your business online with a brand and website that makes you stand out. And even before you launch your business, you can start drawing the attention of your dream clients and building your audience. But often I get asked, what do I even post about before I even have anything to promote? No worries, I have 5 different post type ideas to share with you. Number 1 is the About You post. Everyone loves a good story, so your followers will really want to know why you do what you do. The more you can connect your story to their problem, the better. The key is to let them know that you understand the problems they're facing and that you can help solve those problems. Now, you may need to do a little soul searching here to find that connection point, but you will find it, so dig deep. Number 2 is the mystery and suspense post. Give hints of what's to come in order to build buzz and create excitement. You can tease your specific services and offerings and share the benefits of working with you. Number 3 is the behind the scenes post. Give a behind the scenes view of what you're creating. People love to see what's going on in the background, so let them in by giving them sneak peeks of your launch progress. For example, you could show them some of the process as you create your brand and your color palette, glimpses of your new website and your product packaging, or how you're setting up your office. Number 4, the invitation only post. Invite your followers to be the first to know or to get access to your launch bonus by subscribing to your email list. If you missed my video on how to grow your audience using an email list before you launch, I'll link that video right here. And number 5 is quick tips post. Showcase how you can help by sharing tips and tricks that will give your dream clients a quick win. A great idea is to answer commonly asked questions inside of these posts. If you haven't been asked many questions yet, have a look at what's being asked in Facebook groups where your dream clients are hanging out, and check out the comments in the videos on YouTube that cover similar topics that you cover. You can also always get on the phone with dream clients of yours and simply ask them what they're interested in learning about. By posting about your soon-to-be business while you create it, your audience will be paying attention to what you're doing now so that they're primed to buy when the time comes. So a pre-launch strategy is just one of the components that I teach inside of the Simple Business Launch Method. So if your goal is to launch or relaunch your business simply and strategically, I want to invite you to join my free upcoming live workshop. Head over to doitwhilewebsites.com/workshop to grab your spot. Now, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that and click the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I'll see you next time.